Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? My name is Titian J. If you guys are feeling this look, this makeup look, I'm feeling it, so I hope you guys are feeling it too. If you guys are interested in seeing more of how I created this Planet Her, let's call her Planet Her. If I was on Planet Her with Doja Cat, this is the makeup look that I would wear, period. If you guys are interested to see how I got this Planet Her makeup look, stay tuned, just keep on watching. The primer I'm gonna use is Touch and Soul No Problem Primer. I don't know if you guys ever saw me use this on my channel. That's what the primer looks like. I got this primer at Ulta or Sephora. I don't even remember, y'all. I really don't. Like, I legit found this in my makeup collection. That's so bad, you guys. Like, it's just makeup just being in my makeup drawers and I don't even use it until I see it. So, yeah. That's bad. It smells really good though. This smells like a really, really good primer. I'm going to use this eyeshadow base. I'm like, should I just stick my finger in it? Or should I stick my brush in it? Let's see. Let me see if it even covers anything. Yeah. Yeah, no, that doesn't cover anything. Let me just stick my finger in it to like warm it up. The eyeshadow base I'm using is from NYX. I'm gonna start off the video with doing my eyeshadow. So I know I put it on crazy, but trust me, I'm gonna make it work. It's gonna look crazy, but when I finish, it's not gonna look crazy. I promise. And I'm just blending it. I just wanted to do something other than using concealer on my eyes, which I normally, like, I just stick to concealer on my eyes just because I just feel like that works best for me. Like, I'm not like this crazy like makeup artist. I'm not this crazy makeup artist, so I've always tried to just do the convenience. Plus when you're like, I'm sorry to keep bringing up being a mom, but like when you're a mom, you just want to hurry up and get out the door, so you just do like the convenience. And look, it blended out. I see that I normally have creases on my eyes, and I see that I still have those creases, but it's not as much, which is pretty cool. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more to see if it would get rid of the creases a little bit more. But so far, let's see. I hope it does. Yeah, maybe just a tad bit. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go into the Jaclyn Hill palette. So the look, I'm just like going with the flow with this look. I think I'm gonna do another purple look. I really love purple. Okay, I just want you guys to know that I love purple. Especially purple on my eyes. Purple hits brown eyes right, so I just love that. So I'm just gonna use this purple, and I'm gonna like spread it around on the eyes. I'm sorry I don't have like the proper makeup terminology, please forgive me for that. Okay, I'm just packing it all over the eye. So, and Jaclyn is pretty pigmented. Okay, that's the palette from Jaclyn when she was working with Morphe. So kudos to Jaclyn on this palette. Let me just like bring it up a little bit, because we're gonna, oh my god, that is so cute. I'm gonna put Passion in the crease, and I'm like going back and forth between two palettes, and I'm also going to use this brown shade right there and put it in the crease. So I'm like going back and forth. All right, and then we're just gonna put that in the crease. This is gonna come out so cute. So I guess I'm gonna do like a purple. So guys, I wanna do a euphoria look. I'm starting to see those looks on TikTok, and like they're becoming like super duper popular, and I'm just loving the way the looks are turning out. I'm just so scared to do it. Like, I'm like, oh my god, I hope I don't look crazy trying to do a euphoria look and it doesn't even, and the shit don't even come out right. Like, that would be so embarrassing. Like, who the hell do I think I am? Like, who do I think I am trying to do a euphoria look and the shit came out like trash? I'm gonna take like this brown, it's like a orangey brown, like a dirt color, like a red dirt color. It's like, think of like a sienna color. Shout out to my daughter. And then we're just gonna blend it on the up and up right here. That's where we're gonna blend it, right there. So normally I go like this, like I do circular motions around, and then I'm gonna windshield wipe. Windshield wipe, windshield wipe, windshield wipe. I'm gonna take like something like this, like a packer brush. And I'm gonna go into the color. I wanna go into the color like Celestial and see how that's gonna look. Hopefully it looks right, because the way, or should I go into the color Drama? I want to mix the two. Let's let's just mix the two. Let's just see how that looks on the eye. Okay, no, that's not what I want to do. So I'm just gonna pick Drama. I'm just gonna have Drama overpower it, because that was a little too light. And we just put in that over the lid. I gotta go back to mixing it because I was swiping it. Okay, I'm liking the way that eye's turning out. So let me just spread it out a little bit. This is legit what happens when you practice your makeup. Like, can't make this shit up. This is what happens when you're practicing. Even with me doing this, y'all, it's still not giving me what it needs to give. Like, I want, it's not giving. Something is missing. So I'm gonna, now I'm just doing it all over the lid because I'm like, it's not giving me what it needs to give right now. Now that I'm spreading it, it's I'm getting inspired now that I'm spreading the sparkly shade. Oh, let me move a little closer for y'all. Okay. Hope you guys can see how that looks, because so far that's okay. That's okay. All right, now let's see. I think I'm gonna use Wild Child and put it, and I'm just gonna use my ring finger, and I think I'm gonna just pop it. Yeah, that's what I wanted. I'm gonna just pop it like that. Yes, that's what I wanted. Okay. I don't really have no topics to talk about, you guys. I'm gonna just make some random ass sound effects. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, this is giving me Planet Her.
Alright guys, now I'm just gonna slip into the voiceover. I ain't really had much to talk about because I was simply just playing in my makeup this day. That's what happens when you're bored on a snow day. So I'm just using the Born This Way foundation in the color Tiramisu, and I'm just spreading it throughout my face. Alright y'all, now I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty concealer in the color 430. I'm putting it on the highlights of my face, and then I'm just going to blend it out. One thing I learned about this concealer, y'all, is if y'all take too long to blend it out, it won't move. It don't move. Okay, so I had to spray it and then like blend it out. And now I'm just putting the NYX eyeshadow pencil. It's a purple shade. I'm just putting it in my waterline. Now that's the Fenty Beauty powder, you guys. I believe that's the second to darkest shade. And I'm just putting it wherever I concealed. And then I'm just going to dust the powder away. So after I just basically caked up my face and caking it more, I'm just adding some blush on the highlights of my cheeks. That's the same Maybelline blush. Nothing new here to see, people. Nothing new. So that's just me what? Bronzing my face. You guys, that is Mocha Mommy and Fenty Beauty. I'm just trying to do a quick wing because I just want that kind of like sultry slash cute effect on the eyes. Now I'm just gonna take that same purple shade and I'm just gonna also mix it with the brown and then add it to my lower lash line and smoke it out. Alright, now I'm just lining my lips and I'm using the MAC lip pencil in the color Night Moth. I love this color when it comes to using purples on my lips. So yeah. And then I'ma just get into highlighting the face. You see that Fenty Beauty period. Afternoon Snack Mo Honey. And I'm just gonna use the glittery shade because duh, it's Planet Her. So you wanna put the glittery shade and put it on the highlights of your face. Now, I just wanted to apply some lashes. These are lashes from a hair company that I got. I really cannot remember. I'll leave in description box, but I never use lashes these big, you guys. And I really, really love them. Look how they came out. So fluttery, so full, glam. Oh my gosh, beautiful.
Alright guys, that's it for my makeup look. If I was on Planet Her, I definitely would look like this. Like this video, don't forget to leave a like down below. Also, don't forget to comment below on this video. Listen, you guys, I'm practicing my makeup. I'm getting back into my makeup again. I did not come to play. Maybe Shorty should have did her hair. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Maybe Shorty should have did her hair. But this is what I came up with. And so I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. This video was all over the place. I'm sorry for that. But I will catch you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to Sean J out. And I'll see you guys. Bye. Ooh, look at this setup. Look at this setup. I know this looks messy because my makeup is back here. So I'm sorry for that. Let me go wet my beauty sponges. Like, I'm completely bugging.